Premiere Elements, there are several actions that can be performed using keyboard shortcuts. You can view this list and customize it to your liking in order to save time while creating your project. So keyboard shortcuts are preset by Premiere Elements, but they can be customized. So for example, if I go up to File in my menu bar, I can see that Open Project has a keyboard shortcut which is Control O, and Save is Control S, and so on and so forth. I can see that Exit is Control Q, for example. Now, if you want to customize these shortcuts, you can select Edit in the menu bar, scroll down to Keyboard Customization, and that will open up all of your keyboard shortcut options. So in this list, I have the different main categories here, and everything with an arrow here is what is in the menu bar. So I see File, Edit, Timeline, etc. If I select the arrows to the left of that category, I can see the shortcuts within the File category, for example. I also have subcategories here. So the new subcategory, if I select that drop-down arrow, I will also see shortcuts for that category. Now below I have other options that are not from the menu bar. If I scroll down, I see I have different options here like take video, undo smart trim, etc. So via my file category here, on the right-hand side, I have all of these shortcuts. So for new project, for example, here I can see that that shortcut is Control N. Now, if I wanted to change that shortcut, I can do that by just selecting the shortcut that I would like to change. So let's say the project here. And then once that is selected, so the shortcut here will be grayed out, and then the command will be highlighted in blue. So once that is highlighted, I can just perform my new shortcut on my keyboard. So if I want to change that to P, for example, I would just press P on my keyboard, and that will automatically be changed. So if I select OK, and then go up to File, New, and then Project, you'll see that that shortcut has been changed to P. Now I can change it back to the original shortcut if I would like by just doing the same exact thing. Going to go up to Edit and back down to my keyboard customization. I'm going to select File and then expand the New category and select Project once again and select the shortcut, and then I'm going to perform Control N on my keyboard, which will change that back to the original shortcut. If I select OK and go back up to File, New, Project, you can see that before where it was P, it is now back to Control N. Now if I go back to my keyboard customization via Edit